Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our ear wax extraction video today. We have some very light coloured wax, pretty much blocking this ear canal completely. So this client was experiencing a lot of reduced hearing, some discomfort because this wax was pressing against the ear canal walls. So we're using a standard size Zollner tube just to do a little bit of gentle probing of this wax first of all. You can see it's quite soft in nature, so it is breaking down. A lot of this is getting sucked straight into the Zollner tube. Just going back in just to get the next section away. You can see the little silly little hairs on the inner part of the ear canal here. Everybody's got these, they're very fine. Their job is to stop any larger piece of debris and dirt entering the ear canal. They can sometimes get a little bit in your view, but we're doing okay with it so far. So just loosening this wax from the canal walls. The idea when we're doing suction is always to try and loosen the wax as much as we can from the canal walls first of all before we try and actually take the wax out of the ear canal. Although you can see this wax is just fighting back a little bit. It doesn't want to come out without a fight. You can see we're just starting to move it. There we go, it's on the move. Now you could, if you wanted to, you could switch to a Jobson horn at this point, but because we can see this wax is starting to move, there we are, nice big chunk there. It's working its way out, that's really good. You can see that there's a little piece of wax that's deeper in the canal, got a little straggly bit here on the right hand side. You can see where it's just broken off as we were manoeuvring this out. So we're getting rid of this now. There we go. There we are, still seeing there's some wax a bit deeper in the canal. So just gently releasing the wax away from the canal walls first. Now we have a centre section, there we go, that's quite close to the eardrum, that one, so let's get rid of that next. You see it's breaking down a bit as we've taken out the ear canal. You can see it getting sucked into the suction machine there. A lot of the times, most of the wax that you see at the end, a lot of that has already been sucked into the machine. So you can see the eardrum, there, a little bit of redness at close to the eardrum. This is what was left. This is what we couldn't fit up the suction machine. So you can see this in about a centimetre and a half thereabouts. Thank you very much again for watching our video today. And as always, guys, if you don't mind liking, sharing, subscribing, that would be absolutely fantastic. And as always, take care.